Welcome to Alpine Mold Engineering Limited. Founded in 2002, our company covers an area of 6,000 square meters. We are a high-tech enterprise integrating product design, mold manufacturing, and injection molding production. We specialize in solving urgent, difficult, and sophisticated issues for our customers. We have introduced a series of advanced mold manufacturing and testing equipment from Japan, Switzerland, and Germany, including FANUC high-speed CNC machines, charmills, mirror EDM machines, charmills, wire cut machines, and Zeiss CMM measuring instruments. We strictly control mold quality to ensure the excellence of our products. Our injection molding department is equipped with 24 injection molding machines ranging from 50 tons to 650 tons, including renowned brands such as FANUC and Haitian. Our injection molding master possess over 20 years of experience ensuring stable machine operation. Additionally, we have established a comprehensive quality management system arising during production process. Our chairman, Mr. Richard Lay, is a veteran engineer with over 30 years of experience in mold manufacturing. He has a thorough understanding of every step of mold making and also is proficient in injection molding production, enabling seamless integration of product design and production. Under his leadership, we have formed an experienced and skilled team to provide customers with the highest quality products and services. Our mold engineering department boasts senior design elites and senior engineers with more than 10 years of practical experience. Our core technical team has accumulated valuable experience spanning over 2 decades, from product mold flow analysis DFM reports to 3D mold drawings. We respond quickly to customers' tough problems, ensuring the provision of optimal solutions and winning widespread recognition in the market. We are proficient in international mold standards such as HASCO, DME, Misumi, and Musburger. 60% of our molds are exported directly, while 40% are for production in our factory. Furthermore, we have a mold warehouse that provides free mold storage and regular mold maintenance for customers. So far, we have produced over 10,000 sets of molds, providing millions of quality products to renowned companies such as Sony, Toshiba, and Volvo, covering various fields including electronics, automobiles, household appliances, medical equipment, and new energy. Alpine Mold Engineering Limited adheres to the core concept of people-oriented and always put cultural construction in an important position. We integrate military culture, family culture, school culture, and philosophical culture. We are committed to creating value for customers while constantly pursuing material and spiritual happiness for all employees. With rich industry experience, high-end technical equipment, and a comprehensive management system, we have won widespread recognition and praise from both domestic and international industries. Looking ahead, we look forward to working with you to create a brilliant future and achieve common development.